Hello, in front of me I've got Ajazz AK820 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to Ajazz App and select Macro Manager. Now, tap New, and here you can select Edit Recorded Macro File Mode. You can add mouse input, repeat count, you can adjust intervals, and then simply tap Start Recording. Now record your macro, stop recording and tap Save. Let's go to Configuration and select button you would like to assign macro to. Tap right mouse button and Custom Function. Key type and macro definition. Select macro and select type. Apply and it's done. To remove macro, again press right mouse button and select default key. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.